Hey everyone, I'm Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to work in my How to Draw Almost Every Day book, and I'm going to do my week of doodles. So this is what we did for last week, kind of that winterish theme, sickness and mittens every winter. And then I decided to actually skip over the doodling part of me doing this week because I got really sick of watching myself do it. So I'm trying to edit this and I was like bored stiff. I thought you guys could not watch this and stay interested. So I'm just including the part where I color it because everything for this week was, I mean, all of it's pretty basic in this whole book, but this was extremely basic. You know how to draw a snowman. If you don't, then maybe we should rewind to kindergarten. But I'm just coloring it in, and I'm using the same things, cast of characters that I really like, my Pigma Microns in the color set. My Mildliners I also used this week to color in different stuff. And then, what else? I'm using my Jane Davenport watercolors and then my Posca paint pens. Those were the things that I used this week. And let's see, we had a little ice skating girl. She's so cute. She is so flipping cute. And then snowmen and a little snow fort. There was snowflakes this week, and then oddly enough, a microwave. Well, I think the theme for that day was kitchen appliances. So there was a microwave, a refrigerator, and I think a washing machine, but I chose to do the microwave because I thought we, you know, kind of have microwave hot chocolate when we come inside sometimes from the snow. So I thought it was appropriate. I'm using my Jane Davenport Brights palette and Glitzy palette to watercolor in these little drawings, my little doodles, and add some kind of bluish background. It's hard when you're trying to paint snow because snow is white, paper is white. It doesn't make for a real interesting picture, does it? So I could have gotten out my white acrylic paint, but I didn't want to do that. So if you see little hands darting in and out, that's my kids. They were with me this morning while I watercolored this. Side note, I'm actually doing the voiceover sitting in the parking garage of my work right before I run in so that I can steal their Wi-Fi while I'm working and upload this, because it takes about 2 minutes there, whereas at my house it takes about 2 hours, 24 hours maybe. So yep. Anyway, I'm using Mildliners and the watercolors and my little Aquash brush pen. And, well, I don't know if mine is the Aquash brand. It's something that I picked up from Michael's, the same little water pen that you have water in the chamber so that you can watercolor anywhere your little heart desires. It was really appropriate having these little winter doodles again, because if you watched earlier this week, it was very wintry here, so that was appropriate. And there was a lot of snowflakes and hanging wet clothes and even some snowmen. So no ice skating, actually. It's been a hot minute since I've been ice skating, and that's my kids bumping the camera. They wanted to be in the video, so I actually did promise them at the end that they could show some of their drawings. So I will include that because they were pretty proud, and that makes me happy. So I love this daily doodle challenge. Like you guys are seeing, it's not hard. It's not hard drawings, and maybe I do need to push myself a little bit more, but right now I'm just having fun with it. I mean, it's not stressing me out. Lord knows I don't need to be stressed by doodles. So right now I'm having fun with it. I'll think about making it harder in the future. Probably not. But anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye. Your kicks in and then I gotta go.
Me in Minecraft.
Okay.
This is me in Minecraft.
Here, let's lower it down so they can see it. Henry in Minecraft.
Yeah.
All right.
With my shield and my sword.
It's beautiful. It's
no,
very
I
handsome.
No, Sushi, don't turn it off. Yep. Let's show sushis.
Okay. Okay. Oh, and that you drew Sissy in Minecraft. Oh, you even made her wearing purple because she loves purple.
I suggest she's wearing a skirt.
That's really nice. Okay, everybody, spirit fingers goodbye with me.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So long. So long.